This is the Makita 4329 top handle jigsaw. The trigger switch, variable speed dial and lock-on function are ergonomically situated for one-handed easy operation whilst the machine is in use. It has 3 orbital settings for quicker aggressive cuts in timber versus the straight cutting option for more accurate and delicate cuts. The saw has a stroke length of 18mm and a stroke rate ranging from 500 to 3100 strokes per minute. This jigsaw is designed for cutting a maximum of 65mm in wood and 4mm in steel. The blade and bevel changes is undertaken with the onboard hex key. The die-cast aluminium base adjusts to 45 degrees left or right to suit the bevel cut required. The clear dust cover in the front and vacuum pocket at the back assists with the dust management whilst the tool is in use. There is a counterweight balancing system for reduced vibration and a rubberized grip to help reduce user fatigue, so the handling is really impressive on this machine. As you can see, the jigsaw comes in a lockable sturdy kit box with more than enough space for spare blades. Overall, this is a great functional smooth machine suited for all uses, especially the professional industry. If you found this clip interesting, like it and share it. You can also subscribe to our Builders YouTube channel to stay up to date with all the latest product reviews and DIY projects.